Good morning. Today, my brother and I will go to my father's old apartment again for the final decision of the reform. I take you there. Maybe you get bored because showing the same thing, but when you see the progress, you will be interested. This is real China. I will also show you how much it costs to do the reform in China. So, give you some idea the living cost in China. Okay, please follow me. Follow us. 跟老人家站老人家后面吗？或者 It's so hot. Inside is so very hot. It's like in the summer. 请留意失误，请防备加速。小孩，请正脸扶好，站稳扶好。过来点，过来。 对，陈女士，人给你抓来了啊！你好，揪过来了。揪过来了是吧？对。好，要得，请坐。接下来就低头认罪了啊！哎。怎么要这样子呢？他说要我来报告啊。对。接下来事情交给你了啊，人交给你了啊。It looks like action started. Okay. Now let's see. First thing is to take everything out. Wow. Wow. 好快啊！好快！哎，你看，真的啦。你看那照相的人像。对，我留着纪念啦。我以后要为你们做宣传的啦。哦，那你们好快，要得蛮好。就是我的哥哥讲噻，但前面那是铁门，还是要麻烦你做新的。做新的吧？哥拿起还请了他的，还把它搞起来。好，麻烦你。和孩子路径也跟你商量下看。这卷板噻，能不能给我更多点个字放在个上面？那可以。过两张卷板的，给我更多点个字一个。 卷板好像不够了还。没错。哦，那个卷是个卷是个烂板子，我你看的真的是，跟烂板子顶起来的。还不是你一个地方。我好像是我哥哥爸是买给他们印的嘞。买得不得啊？买个2只卷，斗1只卷。 买个别个印，那个又把它搬家时就把它搬走了。好，过些人搬过来还没卷，我哥又买只卷给他们。我要说我们不是没印噻。来了不？好。等一下看啊。 来，哎呦，不对。妈，你把它搬下来了，那这一到那莫怕了，挂去怕搞样子了，啊，吓都不得吓得了。叫我怕。哎呀，妈，叫怕起我的，不要怕起我啊。没赔的。 啊，掉了吧？掉了。等一下啊。哎，想不到。I'm sweating. I really appreciate these working people. They are really hard-working people. This is husband and wife. They're doing this, and they said. If they have to hire somebody else, it's very expensive. So they'd rather do it by themselves to make this very small money. Okay, I appreciate very much to make this my parents' house livable again. Let's read my parents' old bed, but it's just too old. This is not a usable anymore. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.还是丢的好，哦，好高的水平。对对对对对。我不给过夜的屁。是老多，老么多。It is not going to be great, but very believable. My father's place is at the school. They have some kind of activity here. The student city. All students have lunch now. How fun.还是我的声音好听个子的，在我的菜说面包。留言蒸菜，啊，我做的在我的家里，蛮好，就是没地方做的。几个人？2个人。要活动些好，这你们要起来。没地方做。有地方做吧？有地方做。不要这样子，不要这样子，不要这样子。这什么？这什么？鸡肉，来。那个咸蘸了，搞个咸蘸了，对，再来一个锅菜吧，什么菜？对，好，现在过几个。
好，你这个是吧？11.5块。好，这里是2位的吗？还是
两位的？Rice is not yet. $3 for the whole meal for 2 people. So that's everyday life in China. $3 or $4, $1 or $2 for each person. My father's place is in a very convenient place. It's a little far away from the city, but it's very easy to live here. As you can see, the market just outside of the campus.
对呀，就是。
这苹果是多少钱一斤呢
？5块的、6块5的。
哦，1斤啊。这个这么大。
这是蛇果。
什么果啊？
蛇果。
不是苹果啊？
是苹果，只是说苹果这一类。
这个多少钱一斤呢？哦，哎呦，我不要粉的。
那脆的，我不
这是这么脆的啊！好。 My brother lives over there.